this is Quinn at Kaizink. Today I'm going to show you some troubleshooting on cutting reflective material out of Graphtec. So I've got it set up for a barcode, and if I try and run it like normal on here, it's going to have a hard time picking up the barcode because when it shines the light on it to read it, it's just reflecting back up in there. So it'll do its alignment and then it'll just say barcode scan error. So what you can do to get around this is I'm going to click 1 for retry just so I can move it out of the way. Then you're going to take some matte Scotch tape and you're going to cover all of your marks that it's going to be reading, as well as the barcode and the black alignment marks. And we'll just smooth it out so that it's stuck on there. And then you can try it again. And then this time it was able to read it. Thank you.